Hi guys, I'm your new teacher for Scary Class. My name is Scary Mr. Johnson. Actually, you know what? That's my dad's name, so why don't you just call me Scary Glenn? Yeah. So anyway, I understand your previous teacher was having you work on fundamentals of fear, which is, what is that? So here's what I say. You can't learn anything until you learn how to chill.
This is how you dream, bitch.
It's a good show.